Today we're with Travis, the man, the legend. We're gonna ride dirt bikes. He's the most successful member of the VIP. We're gonna jump the dirt bikes. He has like a fucking track all around his house. We're gonna see his pet crocodile, snakes as well. He has everything. You'll see in the vlog. Watch it. See you. Ciao.
Alright, we're going to check out this crocodile first. Bro bought a crocodile with crypto. So we are at... What the fuck? So we are at Travis's crib right now. He is my #1 student for crypto. Can I say exact numbers? I don't know. 500,000. He turned 10k into 500,000 in 2 years. Bro copped a crocodile as a pet. So I actually want to check out this crocodile now. So let's just first do that.
What's his name?
Lacoste.
Have you prepared mentally?
Bro, don't die.
Holy shit.
Hey, first try. Oh, big attack. If he grabs the towel, he cannot grab my hand, so...
It's the biggest side quest I've ever seen in my life. The biggest one.
Okay, wait, now remove the towel. Yeah. You want to hold it?
No, I don't want to hold it, bro, it's fine.
What the fuck? I've never in my life seen someone with a pet alligator, bro. Never in my fucking life.
Well, didn't you already like take a bath with him?
Yeah, 2 times.
Bro took a bath with him as well, bro. Wait, I'm gonna pop it up now.
Now we can chill.
Okay, side quest 1 done. Fucking Travis.
This one is Johnny. Hey, but he's super chill.
What the fuck?
Even my girlfriend grabs him.
Would they?
Yeah, you just put your hand here so he goes on your hand. But if you want, you can.
He's chilling, man.
Always.
Bro, hold him as well. He's chill as fuck.
No, it's fine, bro. You can stay where the fuck he is.
No.
Yeah, now he's going. He only turns like full red or something if he's mad or like scared.
How do you make him mad?
I don't know, he only did it once and that was when I first got him.
What's in here?
Normally dart frogs, but I don't know where they are.
What?
Poison dart frog, you know?
You don't know where he is?
No.
What the fuck?
What the hell?
Well,
So
let's find him.
He's just freestyling around the house, or?
Yep, maybe.
Yep, maybe. We're back in Belgium, so we're bored as fuck, so we need to do something to keep us entertained, you know. He is beautiful though.
What the
Oh,
fuck?
it's your turn now.
Bro, this is the first time ever holding a snake. It feels weird as fuck. Bro, hope komt
No.
Ja, dat vind ik echt...
Hope. He doesn't bite.
What, he doesn't bite, bro? What the fuck? Did you ask him?
Look for me.
What the fuck? He looks chill as fuck.
Yeah, he's dumpy, eh?
Goated, man.
He's Dom Perignon, bro.
He's chill.
He's goated.
Ronaldo.
That thing.
Bro, try it.
Whoa, whoa! Yeah, that's fine.
The way he looks at
The
me,
way
it's
he
like
looks.
wants to fucking-
Yeah, was fucking yes.
Yeah, this one almost kicked my father knockout. The bird was angry on my father and my father took a shovel like this and he wasn't watching to the shovel and just did this through the fence but there in his belly.
Bro has a dirt bike. Parkour in his garden.
Hope's gonna jump next. He said he's gonna do it.
Maybe.
Maybe
bro.
it's a yes, bro.
First, you're gonna jump this.
Yeah, of course.
This shit is as crazy as crypto. What the fuck? That's as crazy as it can get, right? What the fuck?
It's just crypto fries your dopamine system so much you need to do stuff like this to be entertained. Otherwise you're just bored.
You need to side quest it, me too.
Yeah. Train and then maybe I'll do a backflip. I'll see.
So maybe.
I have one clip. I jumped 70 meters. Come on!
What?
Yeah. I applied even for I applied for the world record and
You applied for the world record?
Down, so we had to crash it. You use plastic, we bout cash. I see some people ahead that we gon' pass, yeah. I never fear death or dying. I only fear never trying. I am whatever I am. Only God can judge me now. One shot, everything rides on tonight. Even if I got 3 strikes, I'ma go for it. This moment, we own it. I'm not to be played with because it can get dangerous. See these people I ride with. This moment, we own it.
Bro, fuck this shit, man. Just leave me in Marbella on boats. It's enough for me. Fuck this shit.
What do you like the most, this or OF girls?
Trying to find another side quest to do because it's only like 6:40. We're gonna go grab dinner now. But yeah,
No alcohol. We didn't drink for 3 weeks. It's the most boring 3 weeks of my life. No alcohol?
Yeah.
No alcohol?
I mean, I think we've been going pretty strong. I think we can finish up the challenge, you know. We were talking about just drinking water.
Oh, drinking water.
Yeah,
Wait.
yeah.
Fresh one.
Fresh one.
Well,
That was a 3-week challenge.
It's your call, bro. It's your call.
yeah, let's go.
He has to open it.
Okay, we're back from the restaurant. We went to get some food. We didn't film there because you aren't fucking retarded, guys. The restaurant was full.
Okay, my friend Hobe never tasted lavish, so he has to taste the real deal.
Apparently, you get fucked up drunk. From only-
21% in one can.
Well,
You can't buy this in Belgium, right?
Only in my city. ZZ represents.
We'll see you back in 30 minutes when everybody's shit-faced drunk.
we tried
Lavish.
the lavish, and we're all fucked up. We didn't drink for 3 weeks, and we're fucked up, bro. Even Travis is fucked up.
Zeker niet.
Taste test, these are good.
Which one?
Bro, cannot read anymore.
It's too gay of a name to pronounce, I'm not gonna lie.
Even the pink one is the best one, bro. All the rest is fucking
Lavish.
shit, bro. If Lavish was watching me, bro, sponsor me. For the rest, fuck you. All these are fucking shit. This is the only one I ever want to drink again, only hot, so fuck off.
Okay, I have an announcement. Now first vlog with me,
What there?
but I had to test what their limits were. Now I know they were big guys, so now we have to level up Next vlog with me will be crazy.
Next vlog probably in the Bahamas. Something crazy.
Guadalupe.
Guadalupe.
Guadeloupe, then we go to the next island, Martinique, then we go to the next one. We end up in the Bahamas, and then we go to Florida.
Bro, everywhere you go with this guy, bro, he has a fucking alligator. So I don't know, bro.
Next vlog, if we ever end in Florida, on my dog's life, I will catch one wild alligator in Florida. Swear it.
You should do a vlog takeover someday.
Yeah.
I think the people, because now they've seen like a small percentage of your like what you're capable
Or
of.
vlog.
But
Or vlog
I think
himself,
yeah, he's like the Belgian Danny Duncan.
he's insane.
He's
bro.
the Belgian Danny Duncan for sure.
Yes. Fuck, I'm fucked. But anyways, thanks for watching, motherfuckers. Thanks for watching. Next vlog will be, bro, something insane again, bro. We have to do, we have to do something insane for the next vlog. We're gonna think, but we have to do something fucking insane for
Leave
the
an
next
idea
one.
in the comments, please.
Leave an idea in the comments, please.